Today, we will solve a business decision problem using simple arithmetic. The key idea is that the company has limited space in its assembly plant, so it must choose the product that produces the most total profit within that same space. We will go step by step and then do a short recap at the end. Here is the full problem in words. The company can either make 50,000 units of product A or 80,000 units of product B using the same space. The profit per unit is $12 for product A and $8 for product B. We need to decide which product creates more total profit in that same limited space. Step 1 is to understand the goal. We are not comparing profit per unit only. We are comparing total profit using the same space. So the question becomes, which option produces more total profit when the space is fully used? Let's visualize the space. Imagine the assembly plant as one long rectangle. We will use the same space for either product A or product B. Product A uses more space per unit, so fewer units fit. Product B uses less space per unit, so more units fit. Step 2, compute total profit for product A. The formula is total profit equals units times profit per unit. For product A, we have 50,000 units and $12 per unit. So we multiply 50,000 times 12. Let's compute it. 50,000 times 12 equals 600,000. So the total profit from product A is $600,000. Step 3, compute total profit for product B. The formula is the same, units times profit per unit. For product B, we can make 80,000 units, and each unit makes $8. So we multiply 80,000 times 8. Now, calculate it. 80,000 times 8 equals 640,000. So the total profit from product B is $640,000. Step 4 is to compare the results. Product A gives $600,000. Product B gives $640,000. 640,000 is larger, so product B produces more total profit using the same limited space. A quick visual check can help. Here is a simple bar chart of total profit. The bar for product B is slightly higher than the bar for product A, confirming the math.